Aladdin Creations.
In severe infections and intense inflammatory conditions, the body reacts fast to protect itself. This rapid response can cause visible changes in white blood cells, especially neutrophils. These changes are known as toxic neutrophil changes. What are toxic neutrophils? Toxic neutrophils are mature neutrophils that show abnormal cytoplasmic features due to severe systemic stress. The term toxic does not mean poisoning. It refers to toxic changes caused by severe infection or inflammation. Key morphological features. On a peripheral blood smear, toxic neutrophils may show 1. Toxic granulation, coarse, dark purple granules, represent increased primary granules. 2. Cytoplasmic vacuolation, clear vacuoles within the cytoplasm, common in sepsis and severe infections. 3. Döhle bodies, pale blue inclusions at the edge of the cytoplasm, represent remnants of rough endoplasmic reticulum. These features often appear together, indicating severe stress on the bone marrow. Why do these changes occur? During severe infection, neutrophil production is accelerated. Cells are released rapidly from the bone marrow. Cytoplasmic maturation becomes imperfect. This reflects increased granulopoiesis, not immaturity. Clinical conditions associated toxic neutrophils are commonly seen in severe bacterial infections, sepsis, extensive tissue necrosis, burns, severe inflammatory conditions, occasionally after G-CSF therapy or during pregnancy. Important point: toxic changes indicate the severity of illness, not the specific pathogen. Diagnostic importance. Toxic neutrophils are mature cells. They should not be confused with banned neutrophils. Their presence supports a diagnosis of acute severe infection. They are especially useful when total WBC count is normal. Clinical suspicion of sepsis is high. If this video helped you understand blood smear findings more clearly, don't forget to subscribe to Aladdin Creations for more simple, accurate hematology and medical laboratory videos.